So welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we'll learn or understand a method to enhance colors. So if you want short video of this particular trick, just check this above. So without wasting any further time, let's get started. So the first thing which comes into your mind to enhance the color is increasing the saturation. So firstly we do that. So if we click on this icon and adhere in saturation adjustment layer, and if we increase the saturation all the way to 100, so you can see it's overburned. So we'll not do this step for right now. So we'll go to layer panel and delete that layer. You can simply press delete on your keyboard or you can drag to the bin. Okay. So firstly, we'll make the copy of the image by pressing Ctrl J. Now go to filter, other, HSB and HSL. Now in input mode you can choose RGB, in raw order you can choose HSL and click OK. Now go to channel. If you don't see the channels, just go to window. So from here you can activate the channels. Now go to channel. Now press Ctrl and click on the green thumbnail. After doing that, you can see the selection is activated. Now go to layer panel and now just delete that layer. Just drag it to the bin. Now click on this adjustment layer icon and adhere in saturation adjustment layer. Now increase the saturation all the way to 100. And now if you want, you can increase or decrease the lightness also. So here we're done. So this before and this the after. If you want to enhance more, just press Ctrl G on your keyboard to make the copy of it and just decrease the fill of it. Okay, so we'll select both of the layer by pressing Shift and press Ctrl J to group it. So here we're done. So if you see the before and after, so this before and this the after. So again you can see, so this the before and this the after, which makes a ton of difference. So this is it for this video. If you learn anything new, then do subscribe to our YouTube channel and also follow us on Instagram. So till then, keep creating.